Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you that you can potentially earn $29,000 selling 6 AI digital products. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Join me in this exciting video as we explore 6 fantastic digital products that can be created and sold using incredible AI tools. And the best part is, they're all free. Discover how some of these products have the potential to generate a whopping $29,000 or more each month, with AI doing most of the heavy lifting. It's simply mind-blowing. Let's dive in and uncover the endless possibilities AI offers for creating and selling digital products that can transform your business. Let's explore the first amazing digital product you can sell: clip art on Etsy. Imagine earning a whopping $29,000 every month just by selling clip art. The best part is that you can create it using free AI tools. One such tool we'll use is Midjourney, a fantastic text-to-image generator that transforms simple descriptions into stunning images. To get started, we'll brainstorm some clip art ideas, and guess what? We can use AI again for this part. By turning to ChatGPT, we can quickly receive various creative concepts for clip art. Once our ideas are ready, we'll move over to Midjourney and input prompts with the word clip art to generate unlimited clip art designs. Simply choose the ones you like, upscale them as needed, and download the high-resolution images for free. Now here's a quick tip. To make your clip art more appealing and versatile for potential buyers, we'll need to remove the white background and make it transparent. Don't worry, I've got a super simple solution for you. Head to shutterstock.com, click Create, and select Custom Size. Create a design and upload the clip art image. Then use the Remove Background feature, and within seconds, the software will do the magic for you, giving you a transparent PNG version of your clip art. Now, you're all set to sell your fantastic clip art on Etsy and other platforms. The pandemic has permanently altered the way we work, giving rise to a lucrative new market: selling virtual backgrounds for Zoom video calls. This emerging market has the potential to generate hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars in income. Some sellers have already capitalized on this opportunity, with one earning nearly $19,000 in just 6 months. Though $19,000 might not seem like a considerable amount compared to other digital products, it's essential to remember that this market is still in its infancy, and it will continue to grow. So, being an early entrant grants you the coveted first mover advantage. AI makes it incredibly simple to get started, and we'll be using Midjourney to create and list virtual backgrounds for sale on platforms like Etsy. By providing prompts based on real-life scenarios and even experimenting with words like blurred or shallow depth of field, we can craft diverse and appealing background options. There are also more highly profitable and straightforward digital products besides virtual backgrounds, which we'll explore in this channel. Don't miss out on these products' 7- and even 8-figure potential. So, make sure to keep watching and subscribe for more valuable insights. With a bit of creativity and the power of AI, success in the digital product market awaits. Now, let's dive into the intriguing world of selling digital paper. What is digital paper, and why would anyone prefer it over physical paper? Well, it might surprise you that some sellers on Etsy have achieved incredible success with close to 180,000 sales and earnings of nearly $500,000, all by selling digital paper. Digital paper is a digital image containing various patterns, textures, gradients, and designs that people can print for real-life use or utilize digitally. Despite its seemingly niche market, some sellers have made hundreds of thousands, sometimes even millions of dollars by selling this product. The demand for unique and creative digital paper is growing steadily. As with other digital products we've discussed, AI again comes to our aid in creating digital paper. Head back to Midjourney, but we'll use a trick to generate unique patterns this time. For instance, if you want to make flower patterns, provide the AI with a descriptive prompt and don't forget to include the word seamless pattern at the end. The AI will produce some truly incredible patterns for you. After generating these patterns, you can take them to photo editing software like Photoshop or Photopea, a free Photoshop alternative, to further enhance and customize them. It's a straightforward process that can lead to remarkable results. Now, if you're enjoying this video and you want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Now let's explore the exciting world of wedding stationery. On Etsy, sellers offer printable wedding invitations and various stationery for couples to personalize. These digital downloads allow buyers to purchase templates and print them for their special day. Best part is how surprisingly easy it is to create these beautiful wedding invitations with the help of AI. Head back to Midjourney and ask the AI to generate a wedding invitation template. You can also experiment with prompt variations, such as adding the word minimalist to get different design results. Once you've found the templates you like, upscale them and prepare them for listing on Etsy. However, you'll need to remove the pre-generated text to make the templates fully customizable for customers. For this task, we'll use Photopea, a free Photoshop alternative. Use the rectangle select tool to highlight and remove the text. Then, utilize Photopea's Content Aware Fill tool by selecting Content Aware from the Fill drop-down menu and click OK. This nifty tool will automatically replace the removed text with the background color, giving you a blank slate. Now, take your blank wedding invitation template to Canva, another powerful and user-friendly platform. Use Canva's free fonts to add text boxes back into the template. Remember, customers will use Canva to customize their text with their names and wedding details. Following this straightforward process, you can create stunning and customizable wedding stationery that will delight couples and help make their big day even more special. Now, let's explore one of the easiest and trendy digital products on this list: selling product mockups. Thanks to the incredible power of AI, selling this product has become even more accessible and efficient. You might be surprised to know that one of the most widely used digital products on Etsy is often overlooked because it lies beneath the surface. I'm talking about product mockup images, a crucial element that virtually every Etsy shop uses. These mockups are used to market Etsy sellers' products, making them more appealing to potential customers. For instance, an Etsy shop selling digital prints wouldn't just display the artwork as a flat image. Instead, they'll place the artwork within a frame mockup, allowing customers to envision how the print would look when framed. Mockups significantly boost sales, which is why most Etsy shops rely on them. Believe it or not, some sellers on Etsy specialize in selling these mockups and earn tens of thousands of dollars. Whether it's a simple frame, a coffee mug, or any other mockup, they're in high demand. Creating mockups using AI is incredibly easy. Head to Midjourney and ask it to generate a simple mockup of the product you have in mind. It will present you with several options to choose from. Take the results to Photopea, where you can effortlessly transform what AI created into a fully fledged mockup. It's a matter of minutes and you're done. Once created, mockup files are usually offered in formats like Photoshop or Canva files, making it easy for buyers to manipulate them and suit their needs. For more detailed instructions on how to work with mockup files, check out our other helpful videos. The final product on our list that can be sold with the help of AI is coloring pages. The final product on our list that can be sold with the help of AI is coloring pages. While some Etsy sellers have found great success by exclusively selling coloring pages, they can also complement other digital products in your shop, offering a diverse range of options for customers. Thanks to the assistance of AI, you can quickly start selling these delightful creations and earn good money. Prompting AI to generate coloring pages is incredibly easy. For instance, you can ask it to create children's animal coloring pages, and within seconds, the AI will produce them for you. If you're looking for popular themes, holiday coloring pages such as Santa Claus are always in demand. For adults, abstract coloring pages could be an exciting option. With this product, all you need to do is come up with different prompts to give to the AI, and it will create the coloring pages for you in a snap. Should you ever run low on ideas, don't worry. Our trusted companion ChatGPT can lend a hand. Just ask it for coloring page ideas and it will provide you with a list of creative suggestions that you can then take over to Midjourney for production. So, let AI do the heavy lifting for you and you'll soon have an array of beautifully designed coloring pages to offer in your shop. Whether it's for your children's entertainment or adult relaxation, coloring pages have a universal appeal, making them a delightful addition to your digital product lineup. Start creating and selling these captivating coloring pages with the help of AI and watch your shop thrive with creativity and profitability. AI is undoubtedly reshaping the world we live in, and the impact it's making is undeniable. As with any transformative technology, we have the choice to either dismiss it as a fleeting trend or embrace the vast opportunities it presents. The power of AI can be harnessed to create, innovate, and unlock new horizons in various industries, including the digital product market. By leveraging AI tools like Midjourney and ChatGPT, we have witnessed how the creation and sale of digital products have become more accessible, efficient, and potentially lucrative. The possibilities are endless. As entrepreneurs and creators, we stand at a crossroads whether we shy away from the wave of AI-driven innovations or ride it to success. Embracing AI opens doors to possibilities, offering the first-mover advantage and empowering us to reach new heights. So, the choice is ours. Let's seize the opportunities AI brings, embark on creative journeys, and thrive in the evolving landscape of digital products. Embrace AI as a powerful ally. Together, we can shape a brighter future filled with innovation, prosperity, and endless possibilities. The world is changing, and with AI, we have the chance to lead the way. Let's make the most of it. But remember to stay vigilant in your pursuit of knowledge and improvement. Embrace the vast array of available tools and technologies, constantly seeking new and exciting ways to enhance your online ventures, expand your reach, and ultimately achieve your goals. The potential for success is boundless when you combine innovative tools with your creativity, passion, and entrepreneurial spirit. Best of luck out there. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.